Today I'm going to show you how to make Blackberry Cobbler. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we will whisk this together. And now I have 1 cup of milk. And we'll give that a good whisk. And now I'll set this aside. And I have a 13 by 9 inch pan here, but you can use like an 8 by 11 as well. I have a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter here. You can use salted butter. I'm going to melt this in the microwave. You could also melt this on the stovetop. Pour that in your pan. I also greased the pan on the sides as well with kitchen spray. It's not totally necessary, but it just helps. And now what we'll do is we will just take this batter and we will pour it right on top. We're not going to mix it in with the butter. We're just going to pour this right on top. And now the star of the dish, the blackberries. I have 3 cups, roughly 3 cups, probably 3.5 cups of fresh, washed and dried blackberries. You can also use frozen blackberries if you like, and just make sure to thaw them out. And then I'm going to just take these all over the top here. And now what I want to do is I want to just take some cinnamon and just do a few shakes of cinnamon on there. And then also I want to do a little bit of nutmeg. Again, purely optional. We're going to bake these for 35 to 45 minutes until it's going to puff up and it's going to get nice and golden brown. A spatula here, and easily just cut down the middle. And then we'll just scoop it out. Put it on the plate. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm.